All right, we started. Start
TS up.
Okay. Here we go. Oh. Hello.
Oh, I can't hear it.
Turn it up.
Be honest.
Dude. Oh my gosh, I wear an iron hat?
Iron hat, dude.
Refer to colonialism.
Is that like an iron helmet from Minecraft?
I first started broke as hell. I'm rich, I already made it. Oh my god.
Ooh.
What's the shape of if I see them pussy boys, I clear the whole vicinity. You was taking to
25 oztism.
taking to them long, he look like he infinity.
Oh my god.
Iron hat. I require that.
Oh my god.
A.B. Reinstein.
Baby, right?
I felt that.
The production is crazy.
Yeah, the beat's kind of insane, dude.
It might be coming out. That was kind of crazy.
Nyan cat beat. Okay, what's our verdict on that one?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
I think
Usual
easily
oztism.
10 out of 10. Yeah, typically oztism is.
Okay, I honestly say that's better than like Gooch Goblin 1.
I'd say it probably is as well.
Like from a realistic standpoint, that's better than Gooch Goblin 1.
I would agree.
I'd say I
really
like
good.
oztism's music a little bit, not too much, but I think he's probably definitely one of my top 3 artists.
A reasonable amount.
A reasonable amount, just like a good amount.
Can we listen to 2025? That is my favorite song by oztism.
Where is
Yeah.
it? Sure. Oh, Be Slutty?
Oh my gosh,
Oh.
be slutty. Be slutty. Be slutty.
Oh.
Turn it up. Turn it up.
What the skull? Combine. Wine time.
One time.
Wine time.
Horse time. Yo, wish tell me awesome is better.
The weather.
What's wet?
The weather.
At the party,
The weather.
the weather. Bitch, I'm a real Asian. I'm thinking of black. My penis is a wing.
I had to run it back. Everybody crazy with be shiesty on the track.
Yo, Wayne's here. I think Wayne's here.
Yo, Wayne, what up, bro?
What's good, Wayne?
I gotta get the big kahuna closed.
Wait, Wayne, what do you think of the song? Nice. Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, I agree.
This is the best oztism song I know of.
I would agree.
Nyan Cat is definitely up there now. Low-key top 3 songs now.
It's in top 5. It's in top 5.
It's in
Favorite
top
song
5
ever.
for sure. I'd say the only things in front of it are Gooch Goblin 2, 40,
Dude,
2025,
I think
and
Wayne ran his car off the road.
Cul-de-sac, dude.
Cul-de-sacs is good, but like, I think Nyan Cat beats it, dude. Not gonna lie.
Yeah,
It doesn't make my sack the cull, if you know what I mean.
All right.
Yo,
Rap like I'm in a gang, but I want a sack.
I'm in a cul-de-sac. Here we can
I'm in a booty clay.
look at the photo. I think Wayne drove off the road.
Wayne. That's not good.
Wayne.
Look at that. Go to sack.
Ooh.
Oh, no.
That's a bar. She stuck me off like you don't got a father.
Robert, Fortnite reference. Why is Wayne at the cremation
A
center?
presidential like Kamala. That's a pretty good bar, dude. Cul-de-sac's good, but I still think Nyan Cat beats that.
Let's run that. Run Nyan Cat back again.
Fuck all you y'all niggas listen.
Hello. I think the production on this is just a bit better.
I would agree.
To be honest. Yeah, I think Nyan Cat takes the cake there. So I'd say it's what? The only things in front of it for me are Gooch Goblin 2, Tape My Balls to the Roof, and then 2025 and 40.
Fair. Good.
Yeah.
Good shouts.
Yeah, I'd agree, honestly.
This, and this are the only ones in front of Nyan Cat. So that means I think it takes fifth place.
Sixth place is
What else do you have in front of it? Cul-de-sac?
No, I think for me, I agree. I think it ties cul-de-sac.
Hmm.
But I think in sixth place, I'd put Gooch Goblin 1, honestly.
Okay. All right. You want to do a proper outro on this one?
No.